Coronavirus pandemic is causing a lot of stress among people all over the world as everybody is experiencing lockdown and work from home. People who've still got a job and are forced to work from home, stress and long hours are making it difficult to stay motivated for work from home. It feels extremely hard to maintain your enthusiasm or commit to whatever profession you have. Motivation rather becomes elusive when you work hard and you stare at the computer screen forcing yourself to start working. You feel totally uninspired and don't know how to get motivated and to stay motivated. Following are the few motivators that you should practice on a regular basis while you struggle to cope with this new mode of work. Don't fear the hard work. When you have some hard work to do, you feel your heart sinking and motivation getting depleted. No matter how puzzling your task appear, you don't have to fear it. Find the small clues that can help you understand how it will work and start with smaller steps. This essentially is called smart work. As you will move forward, you will start accomplishing things and motivation will come along the way. Create smaller goals. Having a big goal in life gives you a sense of purpose, but accomplishing it sometimes seems daunting. Do not focus solely on the larger goal. Instead, begin by taking smaller steps. Start setting small goals for achieving what you have in mind. You will not lose motivation and will come up with better ideas to reach your goal. Read more. Make it a habit to read books on a daily basis. As you will read more, it will expand your horizons. The knowledge you will gain through books will give you a better perspective of who you are and what you are pursuing in life. Reading will bring a great impact on your thought process and will help you to excel in all areas of life. Remember, readers are leaders. This is why Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Mark Cuban read 50 books a year. Do not worry about unnecessary things. People waste a lot of time worrying about things that do not matter a lot. These are the things that cost you a lot of mental energy and make you depressed. Therefore, look carefully at your list and think only about the things that actually add something to your life. Take care of yourself. When you are working hard, it is often considered unnecessary to take care of your own self. But when you take care of your mental and physical health, it not only keeps you fit but you also become happy and satisfied. While you are forced to stay inside your house, you can still handle small exercises to increase the blood circulation in the body and keep you energetic enough, if not physically 100% fit. Celebrate your wins. It is important to celebrate the small steps that you take towards your larger goals. Be happy for yourself, tell the internet about it and acknowledge your efforts for every task that you complete. This will motivate you and will encourage you to see how capable you are of doing things.